On the one hand, individuals and institutions enjoy free exercise and freedom of religious profession and worship. This is presently captured in the Free Exercise Clause found in Section 5 of Article 3 or the Bill of Rights of the 1987 Philippine Constitution, which reads, "The free exercise and enjoyment of religious profession and worship without discrimination or preference shall forever be allowed."
Provinces are finished in their recount and there is no substantial recovery, the whole petition should be dismissed. Okay, let's see the background. Bongbong Marcos filed an election protest involving 25
issue, an issue that will be decided for the first time by the highest court of the land. Being a case of first impression, there will be arguments pro and con, and this debates would continue.
Sampayan na natin kung sino ako. Kasi napakadahil doon sa media campaign na naganap ng prosecution doon sa labas itong impeachment court na ito. Napakasama po ang tingin sa akin bilang tao, ng maraming tao. At siguro ito na lang po ang kahuli-huli ang pagkakataon na maikorek ko ang impression ng tao tungkol sa akin.
Those who are not talking to young people, they don't know what they're missing. Yeah, so allow me to say that it was quite an experience what I went through for the past year, in the same way that Maria is actually sharing with us what she went through. But in the process of trying...
We have been through trying times, and yet during those times, you have shown your resiliency and your dedication to your duties, trying to rise above your person.
Informed talaga na meron nang kinoconsider, because this is just an event that happened today. Alam niyo si Presidente, napakadaming inaasikaso. And I think there will be time for that selection.
I am humbly delighted to see and greet my honorable colleagues here, all officials and employees of the Supreme Court, and distinguished guests. I take this opportunity to convey to all of you, in plain and simple terms, my aspirations and programs for the judiciary. First of all, may I stress that...
Nakasulat sa bato. Para maburo yan, mahirap yan. Kaya nung sumunod kong statement, napakasimple. There are rare instances where the decision can be changed. Yung judicial philosophy na pwedeng mabago. Kasi nagbabago ang korte ng komposisyon. Sinabi ko, diba? Meron mga liberal na dumadating, may conservative. Hindi ibig sabihin nun,